Okay, good day. Introduce yourself.
Good day, mom and sir. Thank you for your time watching my video. I am Faith Cardenas Villasilio and I am 48 years old. I have 4 children and their age is 27, 24, 22, and 19. I am a Roman Catholic and I have 3 brothers. I am the youngest of the family.
Are you married?
I am married.
Okay. And what is your educational attainment?
High school graduate.
Are you an ex-abroad?
Sorry, ma'am?
Are you an ex-abroad?
Yes, ma'am.
From what country?
I worked in Kuwait before and Singapore.
Okay. So first employer is in Kuwait. How many years you work in Kuwait?
I finished my contract, ma'am.
2 years. How many members of the family did you serve here?
3 members, ma'am.
3 members. Who are the 3 members?
My mom and my sir and 1 son.
How old the child?
1 year old, ma'am.
Okay. So what did you do as a helper here in the house in Kuwait before?
I clean the house, washing clothes, ironing and cooking for the kid and me only, ma'am, and taking care of the baby.
Okay. So you need to look for the child here. You need to look for the child.
Yes, ma'am.
Your employer before, are they working in Kuwait?
Yes, ma'am, you're working.
Mm-hmm. And after working, that was what year before you worked in Kuwait? What year did you start working in Kuwait?
2007 to 2009, ma'am.
So after working in Kuwait, you work in what country?
Singapore, ma'am.
So after working in Kuwait, you work in Singapore. You started also 2009
Yes, ma'am.
until
Until 2024.
last year only, right?
Yeah.
What month did you go home in the Philippines?
December, ma'am.
Only last December.
Yes.
Okay. So you worked for a long time here in your Singapore employer.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Why you decided to go home?
Because I cannot afford to work with them anymore because some family members added, ma'am.
When you start working with them, how many members of the family?
Only 4, ma'am.
You only 4.
Yeah.
So your employer, mom and sir, and they have 2 children.
Yeah.
How old are your children when you start working with them?
When I start working, ma'am,
Yeah.
maybe it's around 27.
Or they are all grown
Yeah,
up
They grown up already.
and they got married.
Yeah,
So
until
that's-
they get married.
So that's why they were added. How many family members were added?
3.
So it means the other couple gave birth
Yeah.
for a newly. So you need also to look for the newly born baby here in Singapore.
Yes, ma'am. Yeah.
Okay. So they were all in all. So 4, 5. There are 7 in the family. Okay. So beside caring of the newly born baby, what else did you do as a helper in the Singapore?
I cook for their food, but only dinner, ma'am, and breakfast. And I also clean the house, washing clothes, ironing, car wash.
How many car you need to car wash here?
3, ma'am, but I wash only alternate once a week.
Once a week only. Okay, they have 3 cars, right?
Yes.
And how many helpers in the house?
I'm the only helper.
Only helper. You cook for them what kind of food or dishes you prepare?
Chinese food, ma'am, and sometimes I cook for them Philippine food.
They also like Filipino
Yeah.
food. So are you good in cooking?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, you have day off before in Singapore?
Sorry, ma'am.
You have day off?
Sometimes, ma'am, because sometimes I'm also lazy to go out. I like to stay inside.
So you decided instead of going out, you decided to stay in the
Yes.
house. Okay. While staying in the house, you also do the household chores during that day off?
Yes, ma'am, because they will pay me also.
Okay. So now your future employer in Hong Kong will also offer you like instead of going out or day off, they will pay you and work for them. It's okay for you?
Yes, ma'am.
Mm-hmm. And why do you want to go back or to work again in abroad?
Because I still need to support my family, most especially my mother.
Okay, so you're planning to work in Hong Kong. Why you not continue working in Singapore?
Because I already said some family members already.
No, why you choose Hong Kong instead of Singapore?
I want to try to work another country.
Okay. And are you ready to go Hong Kong anytime now?
Sorry, ma'am?
Are you ready to go Hong Kong anytime now?
Yes.
Are you willing also to, or how long you want to work in Hong Kong?
As long as I still have strength.
Okay. And I still can work with a family member that has children.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. You have also kids.
Yes, ma'am.
You have already granddaughter or grandchildren now?
No.
Not yet. Okay. And your future employer is watching you. What can you assure and promise to them? What is your message to your future employer?
I will try my best to do all my duties. Thank you.
Okay, thank you very much. HL 2162.